Model, 2017 Citroen Relay 35 L3H2 2.0 Bluehdi spares or repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 109,507. MOT, 25 May 2024. Engine, 1997 ccDW10 FUDA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs perfect on easy start. High-pressure fuel pump needs replacing. Fault codes to confirm engine, clutch and gearbox are perfect. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: high. What vehicles do you buy and where are you located? C. Electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,525. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp